Hi, I'm Carl, and I want to inspire you to grow a forest of food. People are starting to plant food again, and it's really exciting. I used to be the only person in my neighborhood with a garden in my front yard. Now I walk around and I see that people are planting eggplant, people are planting lettuce, tomatoes, kale. People are putting raised beds along the side of the road. They're planting fruit trees in their front yards. That's the kind of energy I want to bring to this club. I don't want this club to cost a lot, but I also don't want to limit what we can do. So we're going to have to find ways to be creative. I'll make special videos. We'll have contests with real prizes, and we can have seed swaps. And most importantly, we'll build community like I've done before in my hometown of Providence, Rhode Island. 6 years ago, I started Permaculture Providence. And we came together and built a community where we shared information, we shared seeds, we shared plants. Now, we can't get together, and I miss that community. And that's what I want to build here. There's so many things that we can still do, and we can still get out there in our yards and garden. I can't wait to meet you, to learn from you, to share information with you, and to garden with you. Welcome to the Food Forest Garden Club.